You can connect your YouTube account with your Discord account so it shows up in your Discord. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step process to connect YouTube with Discord. Now let's check out the process. Open Discord, tap on your profile, tap Connections, tap Add. You will see all these options. Select YouTube. Now you have to sign in with your YouTube account. Now you will get this page. You have to allow Discord to access your YouTube information. Tap Allow. As you can see, Discord is now connected to YouTube. Tap Done. Make sure Display on Profile is toggled on. If it is not toggled on, it won't show up in your Discord profile. Now, for some reason, if you want to disconnect YouTube from Discord, open Discord, tap on your profile, tap Connections, tap on the cross icon, tap Disconnect, and it will be disconnected from your Discord account. So guys, this is the way you can connect and disconnect YouTube from your Discord account easily. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.